Shalom, back with part 3. All right, the natural man receiveth not the things of the spirit. And that's because they are spiritually discerned. All right. So, where are we? Now, we have received not the spirit of the world, but the spirit which is of the Most High, that we might know the things that are freely given to us of the Most High. Now, I'm going to give you people some precepts to show you. All right. Give me a minute. All right, here's a warning for you. Colossians 2:8. Beware lest any man spoil you through, right, his philosophies, all right? You know, these false doctrines, these damnable heresies, all right? Vain deceits, all right? Deceptions, lies. After the tradition of men, much like the Renaissance plantation Christianity, all right? And all the denominations that follow that, all right? And after the rudiments of the world, and not after the Hamashiach, Yahushua himself. See that? All right? So that's a warning. All right, let's go to Ephesians 4:14. Give me a minute. All right. Ephesians 4:14, that we henceforth be no more children tossed to and fro. Okay? Because again, if you're to and fro, you're unstable. All right? And carried about with every kind of doctrine. Okay? So you can't do that. All right? Because you're unstable. All right? That's what it would mean. By the sleight of men and the cunning craftiness whereby they lie in wait to deceive. And remember that the deceive and the deceiver are both the Most Highs. All right? He sent them. He controls both sides. All right? He's a God of balance. All right. Let's go to John 2:15. Give me a minute. Again, here's further warning. Love not the world, neither the things that are in the world. If any man love the world, the love of the Father, Yahweh, is not in him. For all that is in the world, the lust of the flesh, the lust of the eyes, the pride of life, nobody's more prouder than Esau, Edom. The pride of thy heart hath deceived thee, thou that dwellest in the clefts of the rock. All right? So, the pride of life is not of the Father, but of this world, right? And that's, goes back to Esau, the Edomites, right? Proud to be an American, the few, the proud, the Marines, so on and so forth, all right? And the world passes away, all right, and the lust thereof, but he that doeth the will of the Most High abideth forever. You see that? All right, it's all about doing the will of the Lord. All right, it's about being called in, being part of that council. All right, give me a minute. All right, back to 1 Corinthians, the second chapter. All right, okay. Which things also we speak, not in the words which man's wisdom teacheth, but which the Holy Ghost, right, the Ruach HaKodesh, teaches, comparing spiritual things with spiritual. All right? But the natural man, again, that's how I started the lesson, receiveth not the things of the Spirit of the Most High, for they are foolish unto him. Right? Neither can he know them because they are spiritually discerned. Okay? But he that is spiritual judges all things, yet he himself is judged of no man. For whom have known the mind of the Lord, that he may instruct him, but we have the mind of Yahushua HaMashiach. All right, give me a minute. All right, this is Matthew's, the 13th chapter. Pick it up at verse 11. And he answered and said unto them, because it is given unto you to know the mysteries of the kingdom of heaven. You see that? And what is the kingdom of heaven? All right, give me a minute. I'll take you to a blue letter and show you what that is. All right. All right.
Strong's G 932. Basileia. Basileia.
This is the word kingdom, what it means. All right. In the blue letter. See, royal power, kingship, dominion, and rule. Who's that for? Does not the Lord say it is his good pleasure to give you, right? You Negro, Latinos, and Native Americans that make up the 12 tribes of Israel, to give you the kingdom? Yeah, there it is. That's right. Power. Going to rule over the other nations. Going to be over Esau. Okay? In reality, you are over Esau because that was given to you, that's your birthright. Okay? You understand? And this is the everlasting kingdom we're going to rule, right? Forever and ever under Yahushua, King David, right? The 12 apostles. All right, give me a minute. All right, we'll be right back with part 4. Shalom.